taking about 1 and 1/4 cup milk, and to this we're going to add around 3/4 cup sugar. I'm using powdered sugar here, and you can increase or decrease the amount of sugar based on your preference. After we mixed in all the sugar, we're going to add in about 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence. I'm using colorless essence here. Next we're going to add in about 1/4 cup oil. You can also use melted butter. Meanwhile, let's grease our tin. I'm using normal A4 sheet here, but you can also use baking paper. Grease the tin nicely, not too much oil or not too less. Now that we're done greasing our tin, let's move on to our batter. I'm going to add in 1 cup all-purpose flour. After this, I had to add an additional 2 tablespoons for the thick batter consistency. We're going to add it gradually to avoid lumps. At this stage, you can also add in other colorings if you want. Be sure to fold in with a spatula to make sure that everything is equally incorporated. Now we are going to add in about 1/4 teaspoon baking soda as well as 1 teaspoon baking powder. We're going to give this a nice mix. Make sure that the baking powder and the soda are incorporated, but make sure not to mix too much as well. Fold in with a spatula at the end and our batter is ready. We're going to transfer this into our cake tin. Make sure you spread it around and tap it to make sure there's no air bubbles in the mixture. I'm going to bake this in the microwave in microwave mode for about 5 to 7 minutes. But if you want, you can use a pressure cooker or you can use an OTG oven. Just preheat it to 180 degrees and bake for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep checking in between. The amount of time your cake will take to bake will depend on your cake tin, the amount of batter you put in. So keep checking in. I'm going to chuck this in the microwave at P100, power 100. Initially, I baked this for about 1 minute 20 seconds, but I increased the time and in total, I baked it for about 5 to 7 minutes. But then again, it would depend on your cake tin, the density of your cake tin, and the amount of batter you put in. So keep checking, guys. The cake is out of the microwave and it's soft and spongy. I really love the way it looks. Now we're going to decorate it with some strawberry syrup. I'm using Hershey's strawberry syrup here. You can use any decorations, any toppings that you like. Next, I'm decorating it with some cashews and some grated almonds. The grated almonds really deliver a nice look and taste to the cake, so that is a suggestion from me. After you're done decorating, just cut them into pieces or enjoy them like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's really easy and fun to make. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.